how to delete Quora account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Quora app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Quora account. Now at the top left corner you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now over here you can find this option of settings at the bottom. Open it. Now go to this option privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option of delete account. Tap on it. Now enter your password to continue the process. Here I'm gonna enter my password of Quora account. After you are done, tap on done given at the top right corner. Tap on delete. This is very easy and simple process. The account deletion is done. In this way you can easily delete your Quora account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos.